Welcome to EBS, a leading company in the construction of balancing machines. To support customers facing production peaks or specific needs, for over 30 years we have provided a contract balancing service. This department uses EBS machines that are continuously calibrated and upgraded and is supported by our technical office, which designs custom tooling for every type of rotor. Balancing is a crucial process to reduce vibrations, increase component lifespan, and improve performance. EBS offers a highly engineered service, backed by state-of-the-art machinery and a team of experts constantly updated on industry requirements, from agriculture to energy, handling high-precision mechanical components. We perform balancing on rotors with shafts or pins, ideal for industrial and high-tech applications. For components without shafts, we offer static and dynamic balancing services, ensuring maximum precision and reliability. Our technology also enables us to balance miniaturized components with extremely high-quality standards. Our service is also ideal for those in need of customized solutions for prototypes or small production runs. We have developed a specific process for balancing magnetized rotors, ensuring maximum efficiency. Additionally, we offer on-site balancing for installed machines, avoiding costly disassembly and minimizing downtime. Choosing EBS means relying on a team of experts with over 30 years of experience and a personalized service. Contact us for a dedicated consultation and become part of our world of contract balancing. EBS, precision, innovation, and reliability for your production.